Hello. Hey, welcome to our second video. Okay, my name is Ben. I choose to be happy. So if you haven't watched our first video, we should talk about Wonder Blower and what it does. So this is the second video. We talk about the price. Okay, we talk about the price, the discount. Okay, so and also we're going to make a third video which talk about how to use, how to blow, okay, where to blow and how. Okay, and then with that I want to tell you that when this TeraHertz first come out into the market, okay, it was quite some time ago. So and then the price is terrible. So this is bigger, more or less like that, and it sells for 20,000, you know, 20,000 ringgit, more than 20,000 ringgit. Okay, and then later on they make smaller unit, also they sell a few thousand, okay, RMB lah. But even Malaysia also few thousand lah. Okay, so the founder of our company, okay, Mr. Thoo, he have been involved in this TeraHertz for a long time, and he and his team holding the patent of this the crystal tube that will emit the TeraHertz. So he talked to the business people, say, why don't you all sell cheaper, then more people can afford. Then they're not interested, they don't want. So until no choice, then by some way last year ending, he came out and then he set up his own company and he made. So he designed this, okay, a smaller unit and very convenient. Okay, so when he do this, he set the price at 1999, 1999 RMB. But at the same time, he create a marketing plan, which means is if you join as a member, you will only pay 499, 500 499. Okay, and the person that introduced you to buy 499, that person will get 150 RMB for bonus. So you introduce to somebody and somebody would buy, okay, and then he pay 499 after joining member, then you will get 150 RMB as bonus. Okay, and then you introduce another person, you will also get 150 RMB, and the other one you also get 150 RMB bonus. Okay, so until this is how the plan works, until you have 50 unit in your group, then company give you another 50 ringgit, which means you have 200 ringgit, 200 RMB now as bonus. So every unit you introduce, you get 200 RMB until your team, okay, sell 1,000 unit and above. Then the company will give you 100 extra. So which means 150 plus 100 is 250, 1,000, which means you are the main distributor now. Okay, so and then if you go more than that, 2,000 whatever, then company will have a different plan that will give you some dividend and give you the car allowance and so forth. Okay, or phone allowance, I don't know, because I didn't aim so high yet. Okay, so this is how their plan work. Okay, and then the plan work very well. Sell a lot until the company cannot cope up. They don't even sell in Hong Kong, don't sell in Taiwan. They said Malaysia also they can't be bothered because China itself is so big and so many people can afford, so many people buying, so many people very fast become 50 unit, 1,000 unit. Okay, make a lot of money. So for me, I get to know this through a friend, and then I ask and inquire the price. So I go through a main distributor, okay, main agent. Then I get the discounted price, and then I have to pay the air freight to get into Malaysia, and then I have to keep the stock, and then I have to do promotion. I have to do video like this, and also I printed brochure, okay, explanation. So it say about what is this, and it talk about in Mandarin what it does, okay, and some testimonial, how to use and what are the precautions, okay, in Malay, also in English, all in one, okay, and some testimonial, and also I talk about how to get discount, okay. I want to explain about discount. Of course, we also print this one, also put together in every box that we will put in. Then we will send out, okay, then we will send out individually, okay. This is how I do. So when you want to buy one unit is 499 Malaysia ringgit. I need some profit, okay. I need to be strong so I can help people. I can do all this, run around and promote and things like that. So I will encourage you to buy 3. Okay, when you buy 1 is 499, you buy 3 is 1,200 only. Okay, so you pay another 700, you get 2 more, you get 3. So the strategy is, when you get 3, 1 is for your own use, okay, the other 2 is for do demo. You just put the catalog in there, you put all this in there and send it out. I will have Facebook, I will have YouTube, and then I will have Telegram. Then you just put the link out and then they can see the information themselves. Especially MCO, I don't expect everybody to study so much like I did so that you can explain. So you just give them, you say, hey, I use this one very good on my pain gone or what, you know, my problem gone. So you give it to them, okay? You give the whole thing to them, okay? And then they will try themselves. And then if they want to buy, then you encourage, you talk to them, you say, okay, tell them to watch this video. You buy 3 is 1,200. So when you collect 1,200 from them, you give me only 1,080. So you keep 120 as your discount. Okay? So I will send them 2 units, send you 1 unit, or send them 3 units, you take back your unit or whatever, you go to the next demo. Okay? Something like that. Then another person want to buy, you will tell them, hey, 1,200, buy 3, and this time you don't pay me 1,080, you pay me only 1,050. Then you make 150. Okay, so every extra set you get another discount of 30 ringgit. Another set 30 ringgit. So the more you sell, the more you make. Okay, the first set you sell, okay, you get 120. Until the 10th set, you get 360. After the 10th set, I don't have plan yet. If you really can sell 10 set, then let's talk. Okay, let's see how. I sure want to help people that able to promote. Okay, so my plan is only up to 10 set. After 10 set, every set you get 360. Okay, and that's all I get. I put all out there. Okay, I only make in the beginning. After that, I put out all the money. I want to help a lot of people. Okay, and those people helping me to help a lot of people, you get that. Okay, if you are interested, you can contact the person that sent you this video. Okay, and then if you have some comment or you have some question, you can call me or you can message me. Okay, this is my WeChat. Okay, this is my WeChat, and that's my phone number. Okay, my WhatsApp. So you can give me any suggestion. Okay, thank you so much.